Welcome back to Raina's channel. If you're planning a trip to Japan, some solid prep before you go is a must. Today's video is all about Japan's fixed route sightseeing buses. These buses are super popular among international travelers because they let you explore Japan's top spots efficiently, easily, and comfortably. No need to stress about transfers or complicated route planning. Just show up at the meeting point and follow your guide. It's one of the best ways to travel, especially in cities where these convenient bus services are available. And stick around, because in the second half of the video, I will reveal my top 5 recommended sightseeing bus tours in Japan. So don't click away. Let's dive into the world of Japan's amazing sightseeing buses.
Japan.
The appeal of fixed-route sightseeing buses. Fixed-route sightseeing buses are a convenient way to explore Japan's top attractions, efficiently, effortlessly, and comfortably, making them especially popular among international travelers. There's no need to navigate complex train transfers or search for routes on your own. Simply arrive at the meeting point and follow your guide throughout the tour. Even visitors unfamiliar with Japan's public transportation can enjoy sightseeing with confidence. Since the bus allows travelers to move while seated, it's also ideal for families with children and seniors who may find long walks challenging. Many tours feature seasonal themes, such as cherry blossoms in spring, autumn foliage, or night view excursions, allowing travelers to choose a course that matches their interests and schedule. Services designed for international travelers. One of the biggest strengths of sightseeing buses for foreign visitors is the availability of multilingual support. Many tours offer English-speaking guides, as well as audio guides in Chinese, Korean, Spanish, French, and other languages. This enables travelers to learn more deeply about Japanese culture, such as shrine etiquette, architectural background, artistic influences, and local food culture. Knowledge that can be difficult to obtain on a self-guided trip. In addition, reception procedures, onboard facilities, and emergency guidance are designed with international travelers in mind, ensuring peace of mind and smooth travel even for first-time visitors to Japan. Tokyo Hado Bus and JTB Sunrise Tours. In Tokyo, the most iconic operator is Hado Bus, known for its wide selection of tours covering classic destinations such as Asakusa, the Imperial Palace, Odaiba, and Tokyo Skytree. Their English-guided tours, open-top bus routes, and night view experiences are especially popular with international visitors. Another major operator highly favored by foreign travelers is JTB's Sunrise Tours, which offers English-guided day trips to Mount Fuji and the Hakone area. Departing from Shinjuku or Tokyo Station, these tours efficiently cover highlights, such as the Fuji Five Lakes region, the Hakone Ropeway, and Lake Ashi cruises, making them perfect for travelers who want to explore Mount Fuji in just one day while staying in Tokyo. Tokyo's sightseeing bus scene stands out for its strong combination of city tours and convenient access to surrounding natural attractions. Nagoya, Osaka, Kyoto, and Fukuoka, major operators. In Nagoya, Meitetsu Kanko Bus operates day trip tours to popular destinations, such as Shirakawa-go and Takayama. Osaka is known for Kintetsu Bus, whose double-decker open-top Osaka Sky Vista offers short but immersive tours of the city's major landmarks. Kyoto features Keihan Bus, Kyoto Regular Tour Bus, Okoshi Bus, providing well-structured itineraries that cover essential locations such as Kinkakuji, Kiyomizu-dera, and Fushimi Inari, making it easy for first-time visitors to enjoy the ancient capital. In Fukuoka, the Nishi Nippon Railroad Group, Nishitetsu Kanko Bus, and community-based services like Yoka Bus offer day trips and sightseeing routes to spots including Dazaifu Tenmangu and Central Fukuoka, providing convenient access to regional highlights. Practical tips for using sightseeing buses. It's best to reserve your seats in advance through official websites or travel platforms, especially during peak seasons when tours often sell out. Be sure to arrive early at the meeting point. as late arrivals may not be allowed to board. For itineraries that include temples, shrines, or outdoor activities, choose comfortable walking shoes and appropriate clothing. Observing local etiquette, such as photography rules or food restrictions at religious sites, will help ensure a smooth and respectful experience. For travelers who want to see Japan's highlights in a short amount of time, fixed-route sightseeing buses are an extremely efficient and reliable option.
Japan.
All right, everyone. How was that so far? Are you starting to wonder what kinds of sightseeing bus courses Japan actually offers? Well, thank you for waiting, because now it's finally time for Reina's top 5 recommended fixed-route sightseeing bus tours in Japan. Let's jump right in, starting with number 5. The 5th is Osaka Sky Vista by Sky Vista. This 1-hour panoramic ride departs from Osaka Station, taking you around Osaka Castle, Dotonbori, Tsutenkaku, and Abeno Harukas on an open-top double-decker. You can enjoy a 360-degree view of the city, plus multilingual audio guides in English, Chinese, and Korean, free Wi-Fi, and space to store big luggage. A super fun and easy way to explore Osaka. Next up, let's talk about number 4. The 4th is Dynamic Tokyo by Hato Bus. This full-day tour, led by a licensed English guide, brings you to the Imperial Palace, Senshoji Temple, and even includes a matcha tea experience. After free time in Odaiba, you'll enjoy a buffet lunch, cruise under the Rainbow Bridge in Tokyo Bay, and finish at the Tokyo Tower Observatory. It's an elegant and efficient way to enjoy the best of Tokyo in one day. Now moving on to number 3. The 3rd is Classic Kyoto Tour to Kyoto's 3 most famous temples by Okoshi Bus. This classic Kyoto course visits the city's iconic trio, Kinkakuji, and Kiyomizu-dera in a single day. From the dazzling Golden Pavilion to the serene Silver Pavilion and the breathtaking wooden stage at Kiyomizu Temple, you'll experience Kyoto's essence concentrated into one perfect route, ideal for first-time Kyoto travelers. Now for number 2. The 2nd is Shitakawa-go and Gokayama Day Trip Bus Tour from Kanazawa Station by Veltra. A World Heritage Day Trip from Kanazawa, this tour lets you explore the beautiful thatched roof villages of Shitakawa-go and Gokayama. You'll step into Japan's traditional countryside scenery and historic homes, with English-speaking staff and multilingual guidance systems for peace of mind. A must for lovers of rural Japan. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 pick. Drum roll, please! The first is One-day Mount Fuji and Hakone Tour return by Shinkansen with lunch from Shinjuku by JTB. This super popular day tour takes you from Shinjuku to Mount Fuji's 5th station for stunning views, followed by lunch, a Lake Ashi cruise, and the Komagatic ropeway for panoramic Hakone scenery. And the best part? You return to Tokyo on the Shinkansen, making it perfect for first-time visitors who want a smooth, unforgettable Mount Fuji experience. So, which tour would you choose? These are just a handful of the amazing sightseeing bus tours available in Japan. Be sure to explore and find the one that fits your travel style. There are still so many hidden gems all across Japan, and I'll be sharing more useful tips and fun discoveries in future videos, so stay tuned. If you want to be the first to know when a new video drops, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, if there's anything about Japan you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to hear your ideas. Oh, and one more thing. I just launched a brand new website with blog posts related to the video. You can also find info on related tours and even shop for souvenirs. Check it out from the link in the description box below. All right, that's it for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara!